We guide you through how to send an invoice on Payoneer. So first, log into your Payoneer account using your email and password. And once you're on the dashboard, look for the Get Paid menu and select Request a Payment or Create an Invoice, depending on the options available in your account. Enter your client's email address, full name, and the invoice amount, currency, payment due date, and a short description of the product or service you are charging for. Double check that all the information is accurate before continuing. If needed, add your invoice number, tax details, or any notes for your clients. After reviewing everything, click Send to deliver the invoice directly to your client's email. Your client will receive a secure payment link where they can complete the payment using the available payment methods. You can also monitor the invoice status from your Payoneer account to see whether it's been viewed, paid, or is still pending. That's how you send an invoice on Payoneer quickly and easily.